So you got this notification on your phone. And if you're lucky and you can still open your car, you got this alert, and this alert on your car screen. That means it's time to change the 12-volt battery. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to the settings, safety, power off. Next thing you want to do is come to the back seat on the right side and lift up the seat, and this latch right here, slide it inward or away from you. Now lift up the seat. You want to remove this piece of foam right here. You'll need it later. Undo this clip. Pop this up. Pop up the air duct. So now you have access to the battery. Okay, so you'll need a 10mm ratchet. I like to take the negative out first before the bracket, because in case I'm messing with the bracket, I don't want to touch the positive and the negative at the same time. Because if you do, you know what happens. So I like to take the negative out first, and then we'll do the bracket, and then the positive at the end. Gotta push that back a little bit, and it'll release it. Now the positive. I like to bring a towel or any type of cloth once I take out the positive, just to make sure it doesn't touch anything metal. This was the original battery. It lasted 39 months, just shy of 75,000 miles. So it did last a little bit longer than most. This tube on the side that pulls right out. And now the battery's ready to come out. Now we slide the new battery in. Now we're just gonna go in reverse order. Positive, bracket, negative, tube. Now you don't wanna bang these, because you might damage the interior of the battery. Slide in as far as it goes, and then just tighten. Don't over tighten, just enough to where you know it's not gonna go anywhere. Then the bracket, hook it in the front, slide this back, put the bracket in, and bits. Don't over tighten, you don't want to crack the battery shell. It's to where it doesn't move. Then we do the negative. Here it's starting up. Again, don't over tighten, just enough to where you know it's not going to go anywhere. And then the tube slides right in. Put the cover on that. And that's it. Put the air duct back in, put the cover back in. Now you slide the high voltage clip back in. Don't forget the foam for the seat. Push back. Down till it clips. We're good. So we're back in the car now. As you can see, alerts are gone from the screen. I shouldn't get any more notifications on my phone, and we've just changed the 12-volt battery ourselves without any issues. Now I know this is something Tesla service could have come out and done for me, and I did schedule the appointment, but the soonest they could get to me was about 15 days out, which was a little bit too far out for my comfort level. Now, if you know, or if you don't know, once you get the notification for the 12-volt battery needing replacement, it's hit or miss how long it's gonna last. Some people report that it lasts a few days, some even more than a week. Others, they get the notification. Once they get to their car, it's already dead. Some people don't even get a notification. Their car's just dead. So it's really hard to tell how long it's gonna last. So once you get it, it's best to get it replaced as soon as possible. So again, 15 days out was as soon as it could get to me. My anxiety level would have been through the roof every time I got in my car. So what I did was I chatted with them, and they were really responsive. I asked if I could just pick up the battery itself. They said go ahead and come in that same day. So I did. Change the battery as you saw. Just follow all the steps as I did. Again, do so at your own risk. I'm not responsible for any accidents, any injuries, or if anything happens to your car. But it's not rocket science. If you change the battery on a car before, it's pretty much the same steps. The battery came out to $85 plus tax, which was about 91 and change for me. So if you're having the same issue and you schedule your service and it's too far out for you, just chat with your local service center on the app or give them a call. You should be able to pick one up yourself, save yourself about $30 for the installation, and also the anxiety from having to wait. So if you're having this issue, I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.